Next question comes from Naruf on YouTube. Homebrewer here. What's the best way to drop temperature from hot wort? I currently snag about 1/3 of a cup, chill it in the fridge for 10 minutes or so till it's about 80 degrees F. Then I use a hydrometer. Not sure if there is something simple I am missing or if it just is what it is. So first of all, universal question, because we all have to pull small samples and chill them. If you watch the Market Garden Brew Day on making gold medal award-winning German hef, get in there. They have a tube. So they have a sample tube that's made out of metal. They fill with wort, put in another thing that flows water across it, and then dumps back down. Very fancy. That's one way you can do it. But if you think about it, what you want to do is, it's a surface area game, baby. You know, like if you think about a heat exchanger is about taking a bulk of liquid, making it skinny, and skinny against another area of something cold, right? So it's surface area. If I can hold 20 ounces of coffee in the Brew Daddy mug, available in the Adam Makes Beer merch store. Check it out in the top of the chat. But if I put that coffee in this mug, it's going to take a while for it to cool down. But if I pour this into a large dinner plate, and now all the liquid is only like a half an inch, it's going to cool off a lot faster because it's a surface area game. So what I would recommend for all of your stuff, whether you're home brewing, attached to a brewery, I love getting these temperature, these wort temperatures dropped fast because I'm impatient. I want the stats, baby. First of all, I would try to get closer to whatever the baseline is, the baseline calibration for your tools. And I'm assuming that baseline calibration is going to be close to 60 F or 15.5 Celsius. Did you see your boy able to jump on that immediately? I've got a window open, baby. I got a window open because I am a friend to the world. I'm a friend of the world. You want to get it chilled down. So what I used to do is, and so everybody out there living pub life, I would go to the kitchen and I would steal some of those little mini, like, or those stainless steel little things that they pop into, you know, like the salad station or the hot station, whatever. And they got their molten cheese in there and they scoop it out and they put it all over the nachos and then they wash those things. I like taking those because I can get one that's bigger. So, you know, I know for my hydrometer, say my hydrometer, you know, sample tube, it's going to take 6 ounces of liquid. I take 6 ounces of liquid because that's what I need. And then I get one of those things and I throw some ice down and I put that on that and I pour it in there, create a lot of surface area, get real cold ice next to it. You know, when you're in a restaurant, you got that good ice that's all crushed up. You shove it in there, you nestle it in there like some, you know, it's like the sushi at Kroger. You know what I mean? Just tucked right in there with the good ice. So that's what I would do. That's what I would do. And you'll cool it like that, baby. Like that. And no matter what you're doing, hydrometer, density meter, really fancy density meter, you got to get those temperatures down. So do it. There's a universal thing. Make it skinny. Get it cold. Appreciate the question, Naruf.